These are the blades that the Force Recon take to the battlefield with them.
10 more minutes to 2.
Again, don't forget to check out Kali Center on YouTube. Subscribe. There's a lot of information on there. Training knives. So the one you saw with Contradas in contact was with rattan, 28-inch rattan, which represents the bolo or the sword. You're going to see two types of grips here, Paul and Sak, which means ice pick in John and Black, and forward grip with Tom. So this is the close quarter knife stuff. We call this knife tapping. This is knife versus knife tapping. This is the self-defense. This is as self-defense as it goes. This is not where you actually want to be in a knife fight. This is because there was a mistake made in the environmental scan, in the observation and the awareness. And you need the close quarter knife skills to do the best you can to protect yourself. So you're going to see right away, we're protecting ourselves with footwork, proper weapon mechanics. We are looking to neutralize the weapon hand of the opponent, take that weapon out of the fight as quickly as possible, and then we can dominate the combat situation. As a civilian, right, we have choices. We can either permanently end it, we can restrain it, or better for our purposes is we're in a good position to escape. So when it's for self-defense, we always say, always fight to your exit. Don't fight to the courtroom, fight to exit. So once John gets it, once he protects himself, neutralizes the weapon, I want to see him exit the situation. Just run home, man. Get out of here. You're done. All right, let's flip it around now. Let's go to the high line. So now we're going to do the knife tapping, but we're going to change the lines. We're going to go on the high lines now. So we saw everything from the low lines. We also got to be able to protect ourselves from the high lines. We're training in the reverse grip right now because we want to train against the power of that thrust, of the reverse grip. So let's start putting in some power. You guys are going to ding up your forearms, might get little knots on it, stuff like that, but it's what it is. When somebody attacks you with a knife, you know, they're probably not your best friends or looking to put a ring on it or anything like that. All right, Tom, let's go ahead and... Right here, so Rod, yes, isolate those destructions. So we're going to see right now, every time that Tom puts a punch out there, so go ahead and freeze frame a destruction. Boom! So as soon as Tom goes and tries to punch Roger in the face, this is why footwork's important. Roger moves off the line, and he removes the target of his face to the target that he wants Tom to hit, which is the point of his elbow. We call that a destruction. That breaks the hand. If you've never felt it, all you got to do is punch the corner of a wall or come up here and punch one of the rattan sticks, and you'll feel the impact of a destruction. We want to destroy the weapons of the opponent. We don't want to block. None of that. We want to destroy the weapon of the opponent quickly. That's it. All right, now we're going to switch it up. Roger's going to attack weapon. It's just like a weapon. We look to protect ourselves with footwork and proper tactics. We neutralize the weapon, and then we finish it up. All those elbow shots would be going. Again, you really have to watch what's going on here. Because Paul and Tom are trying to go for the hand at a specific range and a time, as well as getting into close quarters. There's a lot of hand shots.
Can you see the hand shot? Can you pick them up? It's quick.
I don't think I'm going to be able to move my hands tomorrow. You guys might not have seen a lot of those hand shots, but I got a lot of hand shots.
1, 2.
Being protected.
Here, Inside. This is what you learn. Combat footwork. So he's protecting himself. That looks like this. Two. He does not have the footwork. 1, 2. It's all the way in. But his weapon won't be there. Why? So this.
That actually goes to the
Right
hand,
in the back of his hand.
takes it out to your, the enemy doesn't have a hand.
That's the live blade training method.
I got all my super stuff.
You want to make an announcement or anything? Yeah.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, where yourself?
I'm good. Hello, Ate Connie. ABS-CBN. How you doing?
Oh, I think I need
Oh, I don't know. It's an honor if I do. Let's do it together. Here, I'll turn it on. All right, you're live.
Thank you. Okay.
We'll have it on YouTube.
Ganda ng video mo ah. Ganda ng video mo ah.
Alin? Yung eating contest?
Oh, eating contest.
Yeah. You don't want to feel the hand?
Yung relay?
They're live weapons.
Yeah.
So just watch where you're pointing.
So did you get a lot of
This is the good thing.
Can you just please
Volunteer?
all of the Pakistan contestants because they have to really read the waiver?
Yeah, so it protects your hand. It's an exotic wood. It's gorgeous. And it's not even stained or nothing. And they have to wait till the ribs fall off. Because they're protected. And then this is a Taliban. It's 18-inch. It looks like a Spartan blade. But it's got a, it's not as curved down. It is double-edged like the good thing.
Sometimes they call it.
Yes.
Okay guys, can we call in Ray Bernardo, Jordan Reyes, Jessica Reyes, Gigi Castillo, Julie Reyes.
It's not easy to get those things over, especially right now, because they've been waging a lot of combat.
DJ
In the south,
Boko,
so our waiting list is like,
and Jeff Santos.
okay, it's understandable. Yeah. Plus a couple of other guys, like Force Recon, they don't all meet each other. So you have to have, you have one of
Back here.
Yeah, you're right. It feels like this. Keep it tough, okay? Definitely. Pleasure meeting you.
We actually have 2 more contestants. 16. They have to be 16 and up? Yeah, 16 or older. Okay, we're looking.
Libby really brings
Take it for $50. We are looking for 2 more contestants, 16 and up. You're gonna win a gift card from Seafood City.
I started whispering that okay. They got to me last year. We were in full dress.
Calling in Ray Bernardo, Jordan Reyes, Jessica Reyes.
And dress shoes.
The prize is actually
Yeah, it was like, it was massive.
I saw you guys. Oh,
Hey, did we die?
no. Gigi Castillo, Julie Reyes, DJ Boko, Chris Aquino, Jeff Santos, and Tommy.
It's been so crazy, I haven't even been
All right, guys, there's a pabitin going on now. All the younger kids are free to join us here at the pabitin.
Jason,
Hi.
I'm going to take the golf cart and go around if you want to take a video later or
What do women do?
what time is it?
You want me to take a golf cart?
I'm going to borrow the golf cart. We need like a
So we know that there's contest later this afternoon, and then I'll take the golf later. So we'll start with you. Want to join?
Thank you.
Taking the
Okay.
golf cart going around or taking...
Yeah, taking the golf cart around. Because we need all of those.
Okay, so you want me to go with you?
Okay.
After-
No parents,
after
please,
the
no
festival.
parents. Go up.